Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to use Overleaf to write and run LaTeX online. No installation needed. By the end of this video, you'll have a compiled PDF ready to download. Let's begin. Go to overleaf.com. Sign in or create a free account. Click Continue. Now go to the bottom and click Skip. Enter your name and click Continue. Complete your profile and click on Go to Overleaf. Create a new project. Click New Project. Now select Blank Project and name your project. This opens the LaTeX editor with the code on the left and the live PDF preview on the right. Understand the editor layout. Left, LaTeX source file. Right, compiled PDF. Top, compile controls. Overleaf auto-compiles your document, but you can also click Recompile manually. Now let's run our first LaTeX code. Delete everything in the file and type this simple example. Click Download PDF to save your completed document. Now let's add more structure to our LaTeX document. Packages allow you to add extra features. For example, math formatting. Overleaf also includes hundreds of ready-made templates that save you time. Things like CVs, reports, theses, research papers, journals, resumes, and assignments. To access them, click New Project at the top left. Select Templates. Browse categories like academic journals, university thesis, CV and resume, presentations, and more. Choose a template you like, and Overleaf will automatically create a project with all the files and formatting ready to edit. Next, let's talk about collaboration. To share your project, click the Share button at the top right. You can either copy the share link or invite people using their email. Anyone you invite can edit the document with you in real time, just like Google Docs but for LaTeX. This makes Overleaf perfect for students, university groups, and research teams. That's how you use Overleaf to write and compile LaTeX documents online. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. See you in the next video.